my channel. For today's video, we will be doing a power hour together on my main floor. Here I am, setting that clock for 1 hour. If you are unfamiliar what a power hour is, it's a theme here on YouTube. I think it's highly successful. It's just a way to really get motivated and get stuff done within an hour's frame. Cleaning the house can be a really daunting task, but I swear if you set the alarm for just 1 hour and just go crazy, put on your workout clothes, sweat, go crazy, get everything you need to get done on your chore list done, and this hour will give you such peace of mind. It's fantastic. Now, you also want to keep in mind to be realistic on what you can accomplish in 1 hour. For today, I have a chore list of just doing my main floor, doing my dishes, vacuuming, probably wash the floor, and I really wanted to lay the underpad that I just bought and was laying on the couch for over a week now, and I want to put that underneath my rug finally. So that is everything that I'm doing today. And without further rambling, let's just get right into this video. I hope you guys find it motivating. Like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff.